the zone.
Yeah, it's amateur hour.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, trapping. There you go.
I think he just called out of bounds.
Fall asleep. Nice. Grab it. They really come up.
It's good. Leave somebody open.
Yeah! Please play his own the whole game, please.
You up 14? Yeah.
Back into the game like last time.
Rebound, girls. Rebound, 14. Back. There you go, Cat. On 14. Yeah.
Let's scoop in. Come on, girls, we're a little late. Grab it. Amazing. Wait for Lauren to cut through. Oh, underneath.
Swing, swing.
It's got to be banged though quick. You can't hesitate.
Let's go, 14.
Yeah! I'll get our confidence going.
Come on, let's stay through that. Let's Yeah.
Lazy passes. Yeah. That's. Oh, take it, Lauren. Yeah!
Stay in that zone.
I know. Wow, I think she beat it or did it bad. I agree. Go! Ah, shoot, pass. Better pass. Come on,
Nothing low, nothing.
Open this up, guys. Come on. Light them up.
There it is. There it is.
Oh, weak side board.
Hey, girl. They're waiting around for the ball to drop off.
The weak side board. They're not even trying. They're running back. Don't. Hey, run it. Short.
Sorry, Layla got tackled.
Way to go through it, Layla. Way to go through her.
Moving screen.
That's a moving screen. They are all right around there. They beat us on that twice now. We gotta be smart. Yeah!
And 3 fouls.
I know.
Good job, girl.
Oh, come on, Abby. Be strong with the ball.
Grab that board, Abby.
Shut them down, girls.
Got that lead thing.
He's in a blizzard.
It's all right, homie. Keep it up.
Come on, don't let him get in there. Keep him down. Keep him down. Keep him down.
Go, Hughes.
Come on, let's get a bucket.
Yup. Oh, come on.
Drop it, Hughes.
Man.
Nope.
Nice, Layla.
Yeah, that's bro, Layla with a crash.
Down.
We got
That
to.
helps you.
They play a zone. You got to beat them on the board.
Nothing, 14, nothing.
Don't foul her, Evan.
right, get back, Evan. Get back, Evan. Get back, Evan.
Patience. Patience.
That's it. Boom.
Yeah! Seriously, stay in the zone, man. I dare you to. Oh, yeah! Nice. There we go.
Yeah.
Hit that, hit that, hit that. I dare you, piss the ref off. Yeah. Patience. Patience. That's it.
Come on, you gotta get this corner.
Yeah.
Gotta go.
Nice. Find the open player, girls.
Good job, Abby. Way to get the weak side. That's it. Make him run. Make him run. You're going to tire out.
Nice, Holman.
Oh. You make them do that, they're going to get tired out real quick.
Nothing, Layla, nothing.
I call a timeout because they're subsidies. Rebound! Don't watch! I never went just watching the ball. No one's going for it. Nice. Way to go, Layla! Patience, patience.
Patient, girls. Keep moving it. Wrong way, man. Nice low.
There you go, low! You can do that all day around them. Hello. Them both. Oh, man.
I know.
Take care of it. Grab it.
Play better defense, girls.
Not a happy look. Hit that, hit that, hit that.
Yeah.
Nice setup. Ah! Yeah.
Come on, 14, D up.
Oh, Cass. Come on.
A little slow.
Better pass, Cass. You gotta snap it. Rebound. You gotta rebound. Why do we go away from what was working?
I don't know.
Why are we doing this instead of the other?
Is Lacey's not in?
Seriously, the running back in the game.
Start passing, girls.
There we go. Pop it!
Yeah! Count it, baby!
You did it again.
Yes. Good. Another 2-3. Nice.
Tighter, girl.
Got quicker passing. Watch for a press.
Come on, come on.
Let it go low. Ooh, almost Cass. Pull up.
Man down, man down.
Low's gotta get up on it. I mean, he's gotta get up higher on it. Hit that, Lacey. Come on. Come on, rebound, girls. Come on. Go, go.
Come on, they're gonna give it to you.
Oh, nice. Oh, go up strong, Lo. You got this. Come on. Go. Nice, Evan.
holding it for?
Way too many turnovers, girls. Nope. Nope, got it. Too much time. I know. Make him come out of it. I make him come out of it.
Come on, girls, work!
Bring it right back. Make him move. There it is. Yeah, way to go, Luigi.
There you go, girl.
Good job, Lacey. That's the ball. Atta girl. Yeah. Swing right back to it. Make him move side to side. Swing back and forth. Help! Swing it! That. Oh.
There it is.
Yeah!
Keep playing zone.
Oh! Come on, girl!
I think Kim is now.
Right back to him. Swing it. Attaboy, low! That's a good take. Hit that. Yeah! Way to go, Cass! Oh, come on!
Please, come on. Move.
Oh, thank you. That was a freebie.
Wow.
I mean, I'm glad Cass.
Also a nice move on 23 on the pick.
Gotta go, low! Cass almost had it. Good job, baby! Help her! Look up, Abby, look up!
Swing it. Keep swinging.
Hey, rest, Tyler.
swing it right back. Make a move. Oh, swing it. Yeah. Look, run, cast it out. Swing it. Yeah. Get one now.
Come on, girls. Move the ball fast.
Ball movement.
Come on, Leash.
We need a 3.
Pass them, girls. Pass them.
We're waiting too long again.
Nice fake. Way the smoker.
Beat up, Red. Beat up. Come on, girls. Beat up.
Nice.
Good. Yeah. Beat up. Beat up, 14.
That was a nice turnaround. That was a nice turnaround. That's a real nice turnaround.
She's done it a couple times.
Come up. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Almost waiting for that
Take a charge.
Nice job, Lacey. Nice job.
Bob it. Bob it. Oh.
Yeah. Make him come out of it, bro. Just bring it back.
Gotta come get him, Layla. Yeah.
A lot of hands.
Back. Back.
Travel. Nice. Way to challenge, Evan. Way to challenge it. The
Keep
moving
moving
pick.
screen.
D, Red.
D it up.
You guys, come on.
D up, Red. D up.
That ball.
Moving.
That ball. She's doing it.
Yeah, way to go, Alyssa. Nice block. Way to see her. Nice job, Abby. Challenge it. Nice job, Abby. Good box out.
Take our time, girl.
Challenge it. There you go.
Who's that? You got it, Rev. You got it, Rev. Come to you, Rev. Take all the time.
Yeah, I mean, seriously. That's a moving pick. That's a sliding pick. You can't do that.
Yeah, Red. Come on, Abby. Come on, homie.
Nice spin. Nice job, Lacey. Good rebound, Lacey.
Gonna stop, girls.
Stop, Red.
Oh, yeah, I got her. Yeah.
Good job, Abby.
Too tired.
Nice. Good.
Keep it moving.
Come on.
Nice, Cass.
Nice, Pat. Don't foul. She's a nice little player, man.
Yeah.
She has a nice turnaround. I mean, turnaround jumper.